Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what to do when PS5 gets an error code WS-116449-5. Just go to Settings. Go to Network. Go to View PlayStation Network Status. Over here, check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as Gaming and Social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. And you can see now, PlayStation Network are down. The only thing you can do right now is turn off your gaming console and go outside to enjoy some fresh air. That's it guys, hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.